Hello students, welcome to Ekta's Science Education class. Right way, right learning is the motto of this class. Today we are going to start about health and hygiene of the primary class chapter number 2. Before we start the chapter, do not forget to subscribe, like and share this channel to more and more people. Okay student, also press the bell icon so that you will get the latest updates of the coming videos. So let's start for the chapter, that is health and hygiene. To live a good and healthy life, we must eat nutritious food. Why we need the food? We need the food to get the energy. And what is energy? Energy is the capacity to do the work. Any kind of work, whether it is studying, whether it is sleeping or anything, we need a continuous energy. Without energy, our body will not work. So for getting the energy, like food is a fuel to our body, so food is necessary. The food we eat throughout the day makes our diet, and our food contains nutrients like carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins and minerals. So these are the components or nutrients of the diet, and the diet which includes all the nutrients in the right amount is said to be the balanced diet. Now see, in this seesaw, you are playing near your surrounding, you are in garden, you are playing the seesaw. As the person who is more in weight, they will get up, and the person who is low in weight, they will be down. So what is this? A seesaw. If you eat the healthy food, you will be always strong, but if you are eating the burger and pizzas and cakes, pastries, they will make you only and only fat. Okay, they will make you obese. So this is not a healthy food. Burger and this cakes and pastries, these are not the healthy food, my dear students. Apple is a very healthy food item. So it is saying that eat an apple a day and keep the doctor always away. So eat apple a day and keep the doctor away. So if you are not eating the good and healthy food, you will feel sick, you will get sickness, illness. If you are eating the healthy food, what will happen? You will be healthy and you will be energetic all the time. Now, how much do you need to eat? The amount of food needed by the person depends upon a number of the factors like his or her age, weight, height and the occupation. Correct, student? Everybody, the growing children need more food. People do more physical work, they need a more food. As grow older, the person grow older, what will happen? The person will become less active, so the old person will not that much require the food as the young children they need. Different food items contain different nutrients. Some foods are rich in carbohydrate while some others are rich in protein or fats. Consuming too much or too little of one of the food item is not good for the health. We must include all the nutrient in our food to stay healthy. That a diet which includes all the essential nutrient in the right proportion is said to be the balanced diet. Like vegetables and fruit, if we are eating a lot and if we are eating them raw, then vegetable and fruit groups include vitamins and minerals that protect our body against various diseases. They are also a good source of the fiber. Some vegetables like potato and sweet potato are rich in carbohydrate too. Soft dry fruits like apricots, raisin, dates, etc. are also rich in the carbohydrates. But you should eat a lot of fruits as it contains the amount of water also in them. These are the 10 healthiest foods in the world. Like lemon, it contains a lot of vitamin C. Potatoes, it have a large amount of the carbohydrate, and carbohydrate is a source or the storehouse of the energy. Then apricot, then spinach, and then so on. You can see these are the 10 healthiest food in the world. These are the good choice and this is a bad choice. See, what is your choice? Tell me which is your choice. Now, why we use the refrigerator at home? For storing the fruits and vegetables, as it keeps the vegetables and fruits fresh. So we use vegetables and we keep the vegetables and fruits in the refrigerator. Now, healthy eating habits. Which are the healthy eating habits? Always wash your hands with the soap before and after a meal. Always serve food on a clean plate. Chew your food well. Eat food that is kept covered. Eat warm and fresh food. Always fresh food you should eat. Avoid eating food from the roadside vendors as it could be exposed to dust and flies also. Always before you eat, pray the God so that you will think good and you will eat good and you will think again good. So I hope you understood this chapter. It's very easy to understand, students. Apart from the eating a balanced diet, we also need to exercise regularly to keep fit and healthy. Okay students, I hope you understood this chapter, which is very easy. Watch this video 2 to 3 times, you will get the things. And again, like, subscribe and share this channel to more and more people. Till then, goodbye.